That's your cousin Teddy. He's a waiter, he's single, and he likes rock music. It's my brother Eddie. He's a doctor, he got a wife and 2 kids. He likes classical music. How about this one? I don't know. A cousin? No. Your brother? No. An uncle? That's my Aunt Judy. Sorry, Miss Morris. She looks like your uncle. Tell me something about her. He's an architect, artist, married, divorced, 2 kids, 3 kids, 4 kids, 5 kids, no kid. Only 8 more. Here is an easy one. I don't know. It's my father. I know who your father is. Why you show me a photo of your family? My family is coming in 1 hour. Now pay attention. Why do you have such large family? It's not that large. You have 6 brother and sister, 14 aunts and uncle. Who know how many cousins, nieces and nephews? I say that's a large family. They are not all just 18 of them. I'm sorry, honey. I just want them to like you. Calm down. It's okay. You are doing fine. Okay? I'm okay. Your cousin John?